Hi everyone, so welcome to BIM Guru. In this video, we'll cover the HVAC part of Revit, how Revit uh, will do the modeling of HVAC, and we'll cover all those kind of things. Those factors, those features are given by Revit for HVAC design and modeling. And parallelly, in next videos, we'll cover the same for PHE, plumbing, and as well for the electrical. Architecture we already done, so you can check it out if you want to check. Now for this one, we'll focus on HVAC part only. So I'll click on new because we will start from scratch for HVAC. Right here, there are multiple tabs, but I'll select the mechanical one because we are covering mechanical HVAC service in this one. If it will be the part of MEP, a single model, then we'll go with the system default metric template. I'll click on browse. I'll let you know that which template I'm talking about and which one you can model all these three services, all MEP services in this one. But as of now, we are not picking that one because I'll cover the each service in different models. So we'll create the different model for PHE, we'll create different model for electrical as well. So right now I'll click on mechanical template, click on OK, and let it open. Then we'll see what needs to be done at the earliest stages. So yeah, this is open now. As I told earlier that architecture already we have modeled. So I'll link that architecture model in this one, and then we'll design the HVAC part in this one. So I'll click on manage link, and click on add, and that will be at my desktop. Revit. Yeah. So this is my architecture. As you can see, this will be internal origin to origin because I did not set up any kind of the coordinate system in this building. But if you wanted to check it out how the coordinate system works, you can check my previous videos. I already discussed in that one. So right now I'm just opening it by internal origin to origin, and I'll click on OK. Now this is our architecture building, as you can see right there. Now, I'll zoom in a little bit and we'll start from diffuser setting, and after that, that will create the mechanical equipment and then the ducting part as well. So first of all, we'll place the air terminals. So there is shortcut command AT, but if you do not know, then you can go at the system tab right there, you can see. And these features are of ducting, and this is for PHE, this is for electrical. So we'll cover all those. But right now in this video, we'll cover the mechanical portion only. So I'll click on air terminal right there, and I'll place the air terminal right there and right there. Yeah, so we have placed the air terminals too. Then so we have placed the supply diffuser right there. Now I'll place the supply diffuser in this one as well. There are something that you need to take care about that thing that I just told right now. That return air will be connected in this one because this is the bedroom area. We need to circulate the fresh air at the moment. So always please try to keep the kind of thing what we can say a negative pressure in this particular room so that the fresh air can come. Okay, we all know that if pressure will be positive in that particular room, then air will not come. Air just uh, exhaust kind of thing. But we are not exhausting that much air. We want the fresh air in this room. So we'll exhaust, yeah, definitely exhaust the air in bigger amount, but we'll add the fresh air as well. So this will be negative, and then again this will be negative. This should not be right. And to balancing that one, we are using the return air. Sometimes what we do, we are not exhausting all the air in this room that we have already circulated as a fresh air or as a supply air. We recirculate that thing with the FCU or HU, whatever it is, as a return air duct, and we'll um, what we can say, will mix that return air with the fresh air from outside, and it will be mixed in the AHU only, and the unit that you are using, and then it comes as a supply air to the room. So that's how we are using sometimes. Okay, so right now I'm just placing the diffusers. Okay, I guess I did not place on the ceiling. Okay, I'll place it on the ceiling. Supply air, it should be at 2600 mm. Sorry, I know because 26, it's not changing. Oh, it's hosted. Let me cross check that. If it is hosted, then it will be directly aligned with the ceiling, I hope. But if it is not aligned, then it will not place on the ceiling. Yeah, it is. I guess I need to change offset. Offset is 26. Why it's not changing? Yeah, it's changing now. So the elevation will be 2600. Actually, the number lock was locked on my PC. That is why it was not working. Okay, let's see if it is aligned with the ceiling. Okay, one is aligned. Okay, I did not place all, I guess. Okay, okay. So I'll select all these three as well. And I'll go with 2600. Fine. So I should turn on the section box. It's turned on right there in visibility graphics. I'll turn it on again. Section box. Okay. Now stretch it. All my diffusers are on the ceiling. As you can see, this is our flow. This is our ceiling. Fine. I'll go and mechanical again, and I'll copy these one, and I'll place further again. Copy from right there to right there. Four is placed right there, and okay, this should be right there, and this should be deleted. Fine, perfect. So we have placed all the supply diffuser. Now we need a AHU. Right now I'm using mechanical equipment that will be circulating the supply air to these terminals so that they can circulate that fresh air, chilled air to the room. So I'll add mechanical equipment, add mechanical equipment right there, and this is fan coil on it, but I want HU. Yeah, we have HU. It depends that which kind of HU you are using. All are like, it depends on the your requirement and the size as well. So I'm using as of now this one. There's not any specific thing that we can um, think of, so we can use anything. So I'm placing it right here. Please make sure the space for the coil and those kind of things we need to take care of. Okay, so no worries about that thing. And this is our outside air. And where is our supply air? We need to check in 3D. Okay. Oh, I did not select that crop view. Let me zoom in. Then I'll stretch it till right there so that we can see where is our HU. So here is our HU. Let me see where is our supply air. This is outside air. It means the fresh air part. This is the return, but I guess we should go with this only because this is for the return that I already discussed with you. And instead of that, I do not think so that they have provided any of. Okay, no issues. Uh, in some of the HUs, we only have two ports, like return and supply, those kind of things. And in some of the cases, we have three ports, return, supply, and the fresh air as well. So if it is not that, that'll be fine. It depends. Like we are just learning, so I'll create a duct from right there to a duct that will be supplier. Please make sure that is the supplier duct. Okay, and the duct will be at the same um, what we can say, same dimension as the connector of the HU. We cannot change. It depends on the manufacturer thing that he is providing to you. But after that, we can change the duct size. So what we'll do, we'll go with the, I'm going randomly. It depends on the heat load calculation and those kind of things. But right now, I'm going with the 600 by 300. I'll go with it. And then I'll go with the offset of to we should go with 3 meter because I know that our ceiling height is at uh, 2600 mm. Okay, so we have drawn our duct. If you'll see right there. Now, if I'll go with the in this direction because I need to go right there. So otherwise I can go like that, but what I'll do is, yeah, first of all, I can go with it, but I guess if we are going like that, so our HU will be good if it is aligned with this wall. So I'll rotate this HU from right there to right there. Why I have done that thing? HU did not move. Control Z, HU should move. Sorry. Yeah, so now I'll rotate this one 90. Perfect. Now what I'll do, I'll place it the right here and I'll change the what we can say, direction of this duct, particular duct. Why I'm changing, you'll get to know. Okay, and now I'll enter. The center of this box is very important, but I'll put right there. Let's see. Sorry, 180-degree. Perfect. Now if I'll see, it's connected. Perfect. So now what I was thinking that either going like that way, we can go in this way. So I'll start to go right there, then we'll connect with that one. Perfect. So right there, so that we can get the support as well. One ductile right there. Okay, yeah, perfect. Skip it. Now from right here, I'll go with another duct size. We'll see after this one. Right here we have wall. So till right here we are getting again, and we are going with, sorry, sorry. I guess we should not go from right there. What we can do is, okay, this wall is still okay. There's not any wall actually. That wall is still that portion, ceiling height, and we are running above the ceiling, so no worries about that thing. Let's try there, and it should be right there. And yeah, so we are done with the duct size, sorry, duct modeling. But now we need to see that how the things will go on. First of all, I'm not doing actual dimension, but as we know that till right here we have separated two diffusers, and also we have given the branch out. It means this duct will circulate only for two terminals, so this size will be less. So I'll go with right here maybe 200 by 250. I'll go with it. That is very less, right? uh, I'm not like the actual size will be like that only, um, but it seems a bit awkward. Okay, yeah, let's keep it as it is because that does not matter. Our main focus is to learn the features. Okay, now this duct size should be around let's let's keep it 400 by 200 maybe. Perfect. Yeah. So now what we'll do is this duct size will be differ again because it's again circulating two diffusers right here, two diffusers right here. So what we'll do, will not do such kind of connections. Sometimes we do not do that kind of connection. What we normally do, we'll stretch it, we'll use the end cap, and then we connect these one. But the dimension will be, again, we are using the same, sorry, mm, 200 by 250 that we used for the previous one. 250 right there, perfect. Now I'll connect with this one, and this is the same. This is called shoe tap. This direction will be in the flow's direction. Like if our flow is coming like that one, then shoe tap direction will be like that. Okay. If the flow comes in that direction, the shoe tap direction will be changed in another way. Now we need to connect with the flex duct with these diffusers. So there are two ways. First one, we have automatic thing. So if I'll connect on the A terminal, right here A terminal to the duct, click on that, and now click on the duct. Oh, it didn't work. It should work actually. Let's see. Connect info, sorry. And then pick the duct. Yeah, there was not enough room space. Okay, we do not have that much space. Why? Okay, no worries. But it connects like that one. You can use that one, but it's not connecting because there is some maybe the duct space issues right there. So normally well, let me check. It's rectangular connector, right? So I'll click on that one and I'll go like that. Should not connect. Let me see in this section how it is working, and then we'll connect. First of all, let's see that all we're done with the supply air. Now, oh, these we forget. Okay, okay. Mm, I'll create one duct from right there. Okay, and then like this. Perfect. But the size again, these are three, so it will be less. So I'll go with 400 by 250. Okay, fine. Yeah, one more thing you need to take care if you are branching out any of the duct from the main duct. This main duct size should be less than height. I'm talking about height less than uh, this one, and minimum 50 mm lesser this duct should be. Like if it is 300 mm height, it should be minimum 250. Why? Because there should be some space so that it can connect practically. If I'll show you, sorry, if I'll show you right there, just okay, it's top aligned as of now, so it should not at the 3 meter. If it is at the 3 meter, it should be the middle elevation always will keep it. Like if it is 3 meter, this elevation should be 3 meter. 3 meter, then why it is it's 250, right? top elevation is 3125. Okay, yeah, 25 space rise, but why it is not showing that one? Or we are missing something? It should be right there, correct? And as per the technical thing, it's showing. Yeah, we have 25 space right there, but we should go less, more than that. So we'll move it, this duct a little bit down. My point is that one, I guess you got it now. Oh, so not that one. That was the main duct. This one. You can see this space should be properly maintained. Yeah, now it's fine. It's a little bit kind of thing is right there. No worries. But the point is that the space should be right there so that it can connect properly in the technical terms. I think shoe type is bigger. Seems something like that. Okay, no worries. But the point is you got right that it should be 50 space at least so that it can connect properly. Now, I need to connect the flex duct, so I'll create this section right there, and then we'll see what the situation is. Okay, that is why it was not connecting because um, the length was a lot. Draw duct. If I'll draw duct right there, and if I'll connect with this one, it's not connecting because it's not taking the band. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll raise the whole structure of the duct. I'll come right there, I'll select this one and select this one, this one, this one, and this one. So I'll raise it a little bit so that we can connect the ducts properly. We have a lot of space. It's not moving. It moved, but it showed the warning. And what is the thing? Try that now. Now if I'll say in 3D, it has gone a long up. Let me see where it has gone. Oh, those has come in the slope. Sometimes it happens that the duct comes under the slope, so should be 0. Okay. Uh, okay, I need to reconnect that one. I'll go and plan. Sometimes it happens. That's the like that's the thing in Revit that Revit never denies you to do such kind of things or not to do such kind of things. It'll do, but there'll be some issues with that one. So I'll create a duct 400 by not it should be 250, sorry, 200 by 250 that we already given to the other ducts as well. So it should be right there. What is taking that drop? We'll see that one. Let's see first of all why the drop is. Okay, it is also in slope. That is why I guess. Some, okay, Now that should not be right there. That should not be right there. That is also. Now it should be perfect. The offset is 3561. That should be 3561. That should be trimmed. Perfect. Now if I'll go and see. Okay, the duct size has increased or like what? And this duct size is okay, that's 400 by 200, and that was the concern. I told you earlier that it should be minimum, that should be 250, and that should be 200. Okay, please take care of that thing always, and we can now raise this up. Hmm. The point is, in this one we have slope right here. If you want, we can change it. Sorry, like this is how much? 3516.19, and it should be the same. Okay. Oh, we have done the same slope, correct? It should be like that. Yeah, that's fine. And in that time, we have drawn the new uh, design man. Okay, no worries. We'll go with it, and then we'll keep it perfect. This is the perfect one. Now we'll come at the HVAC right there. That's also perfect one. Correct. Now that's fine that we have done. Perfect. Now let's go to mechanical 3671, and I guess we have correct. We have slabs more than that. Now, if I'll come in 3D that I was talking to, I guess we can connect it now. If I'll click on that, if I'll click on connect into this one, connect it. Perfect. That I was talking about. And we can select all the terminals like that. Connect with this one. And then where's that duct? Okay, we did not draw that one. Okay. So like CS, we'll draw the same duct. And right there, perfect. We should use AND cap for that one because that's ending. Same for this one, it's ending. I'll select both the terminals I wanted to connect. Okay, so okay, I need to connect one by one. Perfect. This one, connect it. Perfect. Oh, it's not connected. Yeah. You can see the flow as well. If I'll click on this one, the direction is also showing that the flow come like that way. Okay, so that's very good feature of Revit. Click on that, connect to this duct, connect to this duct, connect. We can connect this one by this one or this one. It depends on the on your perspective, how you want to see that one while showing the warning, because this is also 200. Okay, this 300, then why it's showing the warning? Yeah, we'll figure it out. Oh, sorry, this is 300, but this is 250 only. That is why it's showing. Okay. Okay, we'll figure it out how we can change. Okay, then we'll connect this one, connect with this one. Perfect. Now we remain with these three. Okay, if I'll click on this one, connect with this one, it shows that duct should be right there. Okay, because it selects the minimum distance of routing. So in that case, what we can do is we can move it a little bit right there. Okay, let's try then. I guess it will connect. If it is not connecting, first of all, we can move it. There are other ways as well. Like we can draw a duct from right there to the height of that one. Right now, I do not know how much height it has, but suppose 3700 apply. Let me check what height it is. It has 3560. Okay. So now if I draw a duct from right there to horizontal duct, it should be uh, the same offset. Not 3700. Okay, that's one. And now you can connect with this one. Or you can give the band and that one and then you can connect with this one. But I just wanted to show you that you can see right here the direction is wrong one. So I'll switch it in that way. Okay. So that it can understand that in which direction it's going. The same thing will go with this one, connect with this one. Why it is showing? Because the flow is in that direction, but we have created a branch out, so it's kind of confused now. But we'll change it. No worries. The last one as well. Click on this one and then connect with this one. So we have done the ducting part right here. And if you want the FCU, first of all, I'll apply the end cap right there. If you want to add the insulation to the ducts as well, you can select the network. Sorry, select the network, and then you can filter ducts and duct fittings only, not the eternal, and you can give the insulation. Whatever insulation you wanted to give, it's right there. I'll go with this one, 25 insulation. You can see now the insulation is also given, right? Now, there's one more thing, the lining. If you want to give the lining to the this duct, because this is connected with the FCU. So if you wanted to give the lining till right there, at the 3000 meter from the mechanical equipment, we give the lining so that it will not create the sound kind of thing. Add the lining, okay. You can see the lining also added. Lining is inside, and the insulation or wrapping, what we can say, will be outside of the duct. Now, that's done. That's done. What's pending? Yeah, if you wanted to add any dampers, something like that, like volume dampers to the mechanical equipment thing, then you can add. These are duct accessories, so you can directly press DA, or you can go at the systems, duct accessory. Where's duct accessory? Yeah, right here you can select the both are same. Both are the same command. You can click on volume control tempo, VCD or VD, depends how you are pronouncing it. And also it's your depends on your legend of what you're following. Okay. So VCD always put at the branch out thing that is going to connect with the diffuser so that we can control the flow in that particular diffuser. So that's controlled. If there's any fire room, then we'll use the fire damper instead of volume control damper. So suppose this is fire room, for example, so we'll use fire damper and and many more right there. It depends on the project requirement. Okay, that's connected now. If you wanted to see the different return air and supply, suppose if we are circulating the return air directly and we are placing the uh, terminals, but we are not connecting the terminals. So what we can do in that case, we'll just place the return air terminals. I'll click on air terminal right there. I'll select the return air you can see, and I'll not connect that one, but I'll show you if I'll place it one is right there. And symmetry, if I talk about symmetry, okay, so I'll place in between, and one is right there. But the lighting, I guess lighting should be right there. Okay, yeah, we'll see about the lighting. No worries. Otherwise, we are not doing the coordination thing. But we need to take care about other services as well. It's not like that whole room is of HVAC. It's not like that. There are other services as well, and it should be in symmetry. And these are the return air, and the same we can draw the duct part from AHU with that one as well. I'm not doing that one as of now. And exhaust as well. For the exhaust, we also have the ducting system sometimes, and sometimes we just use um, the exhaust grill, something like that. Okay, the same thing will be drawn for the exhaust air also, but it will be exposed outside of the building by the louvre or something like that. It will be exposed, and yeah, it's not connecting with the HU sometimes, and sometimes it connects. It depends on heat recovery unit if you have, and there are many more things as well. So we have done with the AHU, we have done with the diffusers, we have done with the ducts, we have done with the duct accessories. What else we can discuss? Flex ducts. Yeah. Suppose you wanted to convert this duct as a flex duct. So what you can do, you can directly select that duct. Uh, Sorry, the duct part. I should go. Let me cross check. I forget. If I'll click on the duct and I'm missing something. Just give me a minute. How we convert the duct? If I'll click on this one, I'll go in the systems. Yeah, it's right there. So I'll click on that one. It'll be no, it should be converted, I guess. Just let's check right now. This option of converting the duct, the duct connecting to the air terminal in the flex duct. Okay, if it's not like that, let me see that it is connected or not. Okay, let me select the duct, filter, it is right there. Design, option was right there. Okay, no worries. Uh, it is right there. Uh, on that one, I'll discuss in the separate video if I'll find that one. But yes, we can convert that one as well. So that's how. Otherwise, if you wanted to connect the straight terminal with the flex direct as well, you can connect. Like if I'll delete this one and I want the flex direct from right there. So what I'll do, I'll directly go right there. I'll go with the flex direct. I'll connect with right there and I'll connect with right there. It's simple. And why it has taken that kind of thing, because the flex duct has connected from the bottom. So first of all, you need to start from right there for the flex duct. So, sorry, not in the steel. So flex duct, start from right there. and then connect with this one. Let me see why it is taking from the uh, port down. So the flag structure, so that's why we cannot consider any of the things. Okay, so right there you can also change the things that you want to change in the flag stack. You can right click, you can add, insert the vertex somewhere right here I wanted to add, and you can, you know, drop it down a little bit if you want. You can also drop it down, and it is, I guess, yeah, that is why it is checking, I guess, because it is checking 3700, I guess. Okay, top elevation will be this one, not more than that. And I'll click on that. This side should be, we'll go with 200, and then we'll go with the top elevation. This one, perfect. It did not take. It should take, no? No, it did not take. Control V. Okay, trim it. Otherwise, if it is not taking, we can move it down and we can connect it. It's taking, man. So we should go in this section, then we can connect with it. No worries. We'll go in the section with the flex strict. It has some limits right there. Yeah. So if I move it down, and I'll connect it this one as well. Connect this duct from right there. Yeah. Now it's connected. Sometimes it's flex, so it takes the issue. This is called STR, structure to round. Square to round, because our duct was rectangular, but the flag strict is round one, so that is why it is taken the STR right there. Okay, the same is right there because the terminals connector was the square shape, but we have used the terminal, so that is why the flag strict, that is why it is taking the that one. Okay, so we have connected with this one, flag struct, this one. What else we are pending? Duct fittings, if I'll click on the duct, we can change the routing of the duct, uh, the elbows, taps, whatever I want to change, I can change from right here in one go, and it will be implemented in further the newly modeled ducting parts and that one. What else is remaining in Duct's case? Duct's placeholder. Uh, okay, I'll tell you. That's very simple thing. If I'll create a single line, okay, and like this one, and now I can convert this into a duct. So I'll just tab it, and then I'll convert into duct properly. This is called duct placeholder. So there will be a single line, but if I wanted to convert into proper duct, we can convert it. Okay, so that is the duct placeholder. Now what is remaining? Flex duct we covered, duct accessory we covered. This is not this is fabrication part, so we're not considering it. Mechanical equipment we considered already, how we can place. Pipes, yeah, the pipes things are quite fine. We can consider these pipes and our plumbing thing. So that will be great because right here, it's not that much hard comparatively to the drainage in which we have the slope. So we'll cover these pipes in that one as well. The pipe fixture, all those kind of things. Okay, the plumbing fixtures, pipes part, okay, no issues. So I guess we covered the HVAC, the major part, and now you can see what is showing the outside of. Okay, that's again on the floor. So select all the instance visible in view. and it should be at 2600 height. Please make sure while you're working, all the elements should be as per whatever we have decided. Okay. First of all, the last thing I wanted to tell you how you can create the new ducting system, new piping system, those kind of things. If you do not know, you are really new in this one. So you should go in the families. Right here, you have duct systems. Default three duct systems are already right there, and these are the main duct system. On this basis, we can create multiple duct systems, whatever we wanted. Supplier, each of kind of supplier, like whether it is fresh air, whether it is outside air, whether it is makeup air, all comes under this one. So if you want to create new ones, so you can duplicate it and you can create the makeup air, something like that, whatever you want. Return air, always one. However, any of the return air kind of thing will come in this one. Exhaust air, any kind of exhaust air, whether it is toilet, whether it is bedroom, whether it is any of the exhaust will come in this ducting system. These are three main ducting system that we can create. But right now, I want to show that you can see this is not in the proper blue. The lines are only in blue, but not the full one. Why it is so? Right click on this one, type properties. I'll go with the graphics override. It's blue, but the pattern that's selected should be first of all solid. Okay, and the second one, the category. If I'll come right there, you can create a new material as well. I already discussed that one in my previous videos, but I'll show you right there as well. So first of all, if you wanted to create a new material, click on this icon right here, create a new material. I'm not renaming it, but you can rename it. Okay, I'll rename it supply air as of now. And then you can give the colors right there in graphics. I'll show you how you can show that in solid blue color. Pattern should be solid fill. Okay, blue. Okay. Oh my. Okay. Just 1 minute. I forget to connect this one. Yeah. So now this should be solid again. That should be. There are a lot of options. I just wanted to tell you that how it'll work now. Yeah, you can see in solid blue. And the terminals as well because it's connected with the supplier. Same, if this return will be connected with the return air with this kind of settings, I'll show it like that one. So that's all guys for watching this video. I guess you got the idea how we can model the HVAC part in Revit. Thanks a lot guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video. I'll discuss about how we can model the PHE, plumbing, drainage, fire protection and the chilled water pipes in that one.